Uh, I developed this class to help you kind of cancel out belief systems that are getting in the way of your intentions and truly understanding how reality is working in terms of you have an intention, you have a goal, you want to achieve that goal, then you're doing the work to make that goal happen. And then sometimes things like we doubt ourselves or we think we can't do it or we get insecure. Simple things that they just get in our way. And then there's also bigger things that get in our way as well. So, what's really amazing about the full moon is that once a month, every like 29 days or so, we get the opportunity to kind of cancel out the blockages that are in our way. And so, what I like to do is I like to talk about the actual astrological chart and the full moon itself because every full moon is bringing up a particular theme that we need to work with. And then we can cancel out those beliefs, those ideas, those kind of concepts that are getting in our way because each and every one of us, to a certain extent, have these limiting beliefs or these limiting ideas that are actually getting in the way and blocking us from achieving our goals. So I like to talk about it so we can cancel them out and come to zero, and then we can really allow the energy to flow through. So, with that said, I created this workshop and also the companion workbook, which the spring summer version is now out. So you can purchase that if you want to keep track of your progress. It not only has the full moons, but the new moons and the solar ingressions as well. And then, of course, we have all kinds of essential oils and all kinds of just good stuff that just help things to be lighter because we need things to be lighter. Sometimes the energy is so heavy that we don't even know really like what to do with ourselves. So uh, I'm really excited to just kind of share what needs to be shared, what we need to talk about with this full moon, zodiac hacks, how we can hack this